Okay, so assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to my channel. In this lecture we will discuss about heterostructure, how to fit heterostructure in Material Studio. So for that I am going to ask for my partner that please give me material containing lattice mismatch less than 5%. So materials less than lattice mismatch. So gallium arsenide and aluminum arsenide and make this match. I want to import material from my library. This my story is a video arsenide. I think I want to take the aluminum arsenide. Here again I want to import this one. At the top. So we get both of medium arsenide and aluminum arsenide in our study. Now we are interested in heterostructures. So for that we are having 8 options. The options 10 layers. When I click on the layers, I get this interface in which layer 1 has layer 1 I am interested in video arsenide. Layer 3 video arsenide. Now when I click on then I will get the heterostructure. Here is an option here structure in the first. If you are interested in testing or you are interested in something, then click on this one. So they are interested in questions. So click on query. After getting the objects, we get the heterostructure of the medium arsenide and aluminum arsenide, and I change the display stand visible later. So through this we can create heterostructures of the single cell or studio. So thank you very much. After that I will discuss about the optimization of heterostructures. Thank you so much.